Welcome back, friends. Hope you're all doing great. In this video, we are going to learn how to create AI videos for free step by step. First, open Google and search for artflow.ai. Now open the website and click on sign up. You can quickly sign up using your Google account. After signing up, the dashboard will open. Here, click on new project. Next, you'll see a rectangular box that says upload media. Upload the image that you want to convert into a video. Then type a short instruction describing how you want the image to animate. Wait for the image to finish uploading. Now drag the timeline as shown and click on video. A new settings box will appear where you can choose the model, video quality, duration, and aspect ratio. Select the model you prefer, adjust the quality and duration based on your needs, and then click run. The tool will now start generating your video and show an estimated time. Just wait for a few moments and wow, here's your AI video. You can preview it and then download it for free. If this video helped you, please like and share it with your friends. Comment below if you want more AI tools. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.